So I wanted to make a quick short video on recoating paint that is fresh. Okay, this has actually got hardener in it, so any paint that has hardener, let's say you're using an automotive type material, this is kind of like that. This is, or you're using something that's catalyzed. A paint that's catalyzed and you want to recoat it, maybe you want to recoat it the same day. Or maybe you're recoating it the next day and it's still pretty fresh. Maybe you can kind of feel it's a little bit fresh. The main important thing to do is to use a really fine paper, not 220, not 320. Some of you painter guys are thinking, oh yeah, it's fine paper. No, I'm talking about like 600 to 1,000 grit or something like that. Because if you use a coarse of a paper, what it'll do is it'll react with the old paint and it'll cause it to lift and do something called wrinkle. So to prevent wrinkling, you need to use fine paper when you resand to repaint. Just wanted to give a quick video on that about repainting over fresh paint.